We're going to have some help singing our listening song today. Are you ready? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at group time. At group time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at group time. At group time. Now, what's new this week to discover? This week, we're talking all about a small body of water that doesn't move a lot. It's fresh water, just like a lake, but it's much smaller than a lake. Do you remember from this morning what kind of habitat that is? A pond! Let's learn some more about ponds with a book. Life in a Pond, written by Carol. She is the author. What are ponds? A pond is a small body of still, shallow water. Ponds are found in many parts of the world. Ponds form in forests, on farms, and in cities. Ponds are smaller than lakes. Pond animals. Many kinds of fish swim in a pond. Fish breathe through gills. Ducks swim in the water. They eat insects. Ducks also dive underwater to look for food. Frogs kick and swim in the water. Frogs eat insects. Pond plants. Water lilies grow in ponds. Their leaves float on the water. Their flowers bloom. Cattails grow in ponds. A cattail is a plant with a fuzzy brown tip. The tip looks like a cat's tail. Sunlight shines through shallow pond water. Sunlight reaches plants that grow on the bottom of the pond. Living together. Many plants and animals live together in ponds. Animals find food in ponds. Plants need pond water to grow. Ponds are full of life. The end. From what we read, life in a pond seems pretty cool. Let's make one. First, we want to cover our paper plate. The outer edge in all green for our grass. And then the inside, we're going to cover it in blue for water. Now that we have our grass and our water, let's add some animals. Do you recall from our activity earlier in the day? What animals live in a pond? Let's add them. One of the animals that live in the pond make this sound. What's that? A frog! Another animal that lives in the pond makes this sound. What is it? A duck. Let's also add our fish. Do you recall the plant that grows near ponds? It has a funny name. Cattails. Let's make some. With our pipe cleaners and our pieces of foam, we want to attach the two. And then add our plant to our pond. Our ponds look so real. We sure did learn a lot. We learned about the animals and the plants that live in and near a pond. What excellent work. Keep discovering, and I'll see you next time.